Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the font and font size in Windows 11 command prompt. For this, click on the Start button, then type CMD. In the search results, right click on the command prompt entry, select here Run as Administrator. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. In the command prompt window, right click on this one title bar, select Properties option. In the command prompt properties window, under size, you can select your desired size, and under this one font section, you can select your desired font and then click on this one OK button. The changes will be immediately applied to your command prompt window. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.